100 till Ronaldo. We gonna get him, all right, y'all? We gonna get that 100 till Ronaldo, all right? We gonna get him, all right? Mark my word. I swear, yo, bro. We gonna get him, all right? Oh, here we go. Brazil. Left wing. Barcelona. Yup. You already know we got it. Bruh! Oh my god. CB, oh my, AC Milan. Maldini. Okay, alright, that was a W. That's a W. No, I don't have any more now, bro. Here we go. England. Go. Oh, my goalkeeper. Oh my. Who the fuck is this? Oh my. It's commercial, like, bro. Fuck out of here, bro. Come on, bro. Denmark. Striker. Celtics. Yep, I'm opening up like 10 of them, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Let's open up 10. I gotta open up 10, bro. I gotta open up 10. I gotta go all in. Yeah. Oh yeah! What the fuck? Who the fuck? Chris Paul? What the fuck? Paulette, like, bro, what? Why did he, bro? What the fuck? Why did he do that, bruh? Why did they do that? Why did they do? Then I do. Come on, please, for the love of God. For the love of God. Wallahi. Yeah. Mama. Get down there! That's what I'm telling you! That's that! That's that! I'm a black man!